Are you looking for a new approach to make money that doesn't require you to pay anything? Did you know that you may download and possess a range of images for free, as well as purchase them online? In today's video, you'll learn how to generate money by selling images and photos from all over the world online. Don't worry, you don't need to be a professional photographer. You don't need any technical skills or expertise, and we're confident that you can do this entirely on your own. You only need one device, which might be a PC, phone, or tablet. If you have any of these, you're virtually set. All you need now is a reliable internet connection and you're good to go. Today, our approach is offered all around the world. As a result, no matter where you are, you may participate in today's method. Just make sure you watch the full video from beginning to end so you don't get lost in the method, and don't miss any essential information, because if you do, you'll miss out on the intended results. But before we begin, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel as well. Hit that notification bell button so that you will get notified whenever a new money-making video from our channel comes out. Also, share this to your friends and family so that you and everyone else will know this great tip to earn money. If you have any questions, concerns, or opinions about the video, just leave a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. Now, the first thing I want you to do is go to Google Images and search for some photos. It might now be anything from mountains to animals to people. Now, I'm sure you guys understand that we can't just take any of the photographs and claim them as our own, because copyright will result in them being taken down. So, as you can see, the image may be subject to copyright, and if it is, we are unable to utilize it. However, there is a technique to achieve this that is known as public domain. This means that there are photographs here that are released to the public and donated to us with permission to use them as we see fit. However, we're sure you're curious as to how it becomes part of the public domain. So, there are three possible scenarios. One is when an image is released into the public domain under a Creative Commons, 0 or equivalent license. This can also occur if the image is not copyrightable, or if the image's copyright has expired. Another example is when the owner artist passes away and some of the photos they created become part of the public domain. If you check up Da Vinci on Wikipedia, you'll notice that his images are in the public domain. People are free to do anything they want with his photographs. They can reproduce them, make copies out of them, repost them, and so on. To get started with this strategy, go to Google and search for great painters. This will return results to Van Gogh, Da Vinci, Bernini, Picasso, and many others, and you can simply browse through all of them. Take a look at all of the different photographs that are accessible, and then we'll share a website with you guys where you can obtain the images for free, and they all belong to the public domain. By the way, where are you from, our newcomers? We'd love to know, so leave a remark below and we'll use it in future videos. Let's move on now. The website we'll be discussing is called freeimages.com. This gives us a lot of stock photos, art, and vector images, and the best part is that they're all completely free. There are also a lot of categories, niches, and other things. You can actually choose between stock, vector, black and white, fine art, illustrations, and a lot more if you click on the drop-down list beside the search field. But for today's video, we're going to choose mountains as an example, and these results include both recent images and photos from a long time ago. As you can see, many of these photographs are low resolution and pixelated. Don't worry, we'll show you how to improve these photos so you can make even more money. We'll also show you a place where we can sell our photographs and make money online. Rawpixel.com is other website we'll be discussing as another source of free photos. Here you may look up specific artists. Now, keep in mind that you must click on the public domain in order for the results to be the ones that you can use whatever you want. Simply click here to download photos for free. We'll show you how to download photographs, edit them, and then sell them on another platform. Obviously, the higher the image quality, the more money you can make. We'll also share a tip with you about how to get all of that done, including the shipping, as well as how to make thousands of dollars every single day. Now, we want you to return to either of the two websites we've provided and seek up any type of event. Let's look up the ocean, then pick the photo you think looks the nicest, and then click the download button right here. Download this in any size you desire. And then let's go to work on making it better and higher quality. Go to photofilters.com to improve these photos. This is a free website that will assist you in enhancing, sharpening, and beautifying your images. This is actually a pretty simple procedure that will take you less than a minute to complete. Just go to upper left corner of the screen and click on File. Select Open, select the image you want to modify and enhance, and it will open the image you obtained from the website. There are just two things we need to accomplish now. First, we'll select Autocorrect, and as soon as you do, you'll notice that the shot has improved slightly. If it still doesn't appear right, we'll select Autocorrect too. As a result, it is entirely dependent on your tastes. After that, choose between blur and sharpness. Simply drag the circle to control how much you want to sharpen the image, and it will really bring out the lines and strokes. If you like how it appears, click Apply. You can explore the website further on your own to see which combinations you prefer. But for now, save your image and let's go on to our next website. Now, we'll show you a couple of places where you can sell your photographs. Then there's Redbubble. It's a print-on-demand business that lets you put your photos on a variety of items, including t-shirts, posters, phone covers, stickers, and more. If you go to Redbubble and type in the word poster, you'll be able to view a variety of different types of posters for sale. You can see all of the different images on posters that individuals are selling on the website if you scroll down a little more. You can sell your photographs for at least $15 to $20 or any amount you like. You may sell all of your upgraded photographs on the website and you have complete pricing control, so you can do it whatever you want. Our second website, Etsy.com, is another fantastic platform for small business owners to sell their wares. You may find anything here, from toy car models to stickers to craft kits and everything in between. You'll also notice that many of the things here are comparable to ones we've seen on Redbubble, implying that they're the same and this is just another place to sell them. You want to do it since it will increase your income. Next, we have Printful.com, which allows you to make and sell personalized products online. Just like the other two, you must sign up and create a free account. You know the website will allow you to personalize it. You may link your photographs into e-commerce platforms, online marketplaces, and more by going to the Integration tab. Basically, you can send them an image and they'll build the thing for you and sell it on Etsy, Amazon, eBay, Wish, and Store Envy. They'll build the things for you and even mail them to your customers, which is incredible and a fantastic way to make money online. So on Printful, all you have to do is click Start Selling and you'll be on your way to selling. Simply follow all of the steps because we don't want to go over them one by one because you already know how to do it. So make sure you try them all out. Make as many as possible. To generate the most money, create as many things as you can and as many images as you can. That's all for today. I hope you learned something from this video and that I was able to help you find a new way to earn money online. As always, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel as well. Ring that notification bell button so that you will get notified for our next videos. Stay tuned for our next video and I'll see you there.